Sunday blues. Go and buckle your shoes and go to Stackfield Farm to see the lamb, all lying down to keep warm from the heavy winds blowing through the fur. Curious, they get to know me well. And here's our special boy. Hi. And this one, oh, she was just born 4 days ago. The second girl on Stackfield Farm. I have to do a voiceover here from the stables, because outside it's so windy, I couldn't hear my own voice. And here's Ivan. He's getting on well. He was so skinny when he first arrived, the bones sticking out. And all he wants is love. Hi, Ivan. Handsome fella. The little you is very curious. Hearing the bags I recorded.